Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use a photo room, a photo editing app that is used to remove background, step by step. So let's start. Step 1, you have to start and import. You have to download the app from iOS or Play Store on the Android. And step 2, when you start the new process. Step 1. You have to download and launch the app. Get the official Photoroom app in the iOS or Android or navigate to the web's application. In step 2, start new project. Tap the Start from Photo or New button. And step 3, select or upload image. Choose the image in your gallery. It automatically processes the photo, and the AI will immediately scan the image, isolate the main subject, and remove the background. So next, choose a template. You will be prompted to select template from the library. This is template sets the canvas size and often inclusions default and background like white or transparent or black or a specific image. Step 3, editing and refining. You have to refine, it can refine or cut it out unnecessary cutouts. Use erase to restore brushes and select the cutout and also use the erase. Next is modify background. Select the background layer. Choose a new background which can be a color, stock image, or custom photo uploaded from your device. You may also AI background generation by providing text or prompt, and also add and edit layers. Optional, this is optional. Tap add to insert elements like text, shapes, or additional images. Use layers panel and management, the order to elements, and placing text. And step 4, adjust image. It is also optional. Use the adjust menu to fine tune the overall look including brightness, contrast, and saturation. And step 5, the last one, is export and share. Preview and review all your output and export it by tapping the share and export button.